Hi guys on YouTube, I'm now doing an overview of the beko WME8227W 1200 RPM spin. Good washing machine. So we've got Daily Quick, Dark Care, Spin and Drain, Rinse, Hand Wash, Woolens, Mixed Fabrics, Synthetics, Cottons, Duvet, Baby and Toddler Clothing, and a Class. And you've got your options. You've got pre-wash, quick wash, extra rinse and a decrease. You've got the start button, you can change all your temperatures. You've got your spin and you've got your time delay. And that's the detergent drawer, very messy. And over here is the Candy 8kg Grando tumble dryer. You've got cool down 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 120, 150, 40 rapid. I don't know what these mean and stuff like that. You've got acrylics, pores and stuff. Okay, thanks for watching.